Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is super duper exciting because I recently made a trip to Sarojini Nagar and I know how much we all love Sarojini Nagar and how much we all love Sarojini Nagar haul videos and all of that. So this time about I went with the thought that I will get majorly bags and I could finally manage to get some amazing bags and purses from Sarojini Nagar, and I just can't wait to share with you guys the bags that I got at incredible prices, of course. So I also bought some clothes, and very soon I will be doing a try on haul video for the clothes that I got from Sarojini Nagar. But this video I just wanted to dedicate it to completely bags, and without any further jabbering, let's get into the video. So guys, I went to a shop which was shop number, just give me one moment, I have saved the number of that shop. Shop number 71. So I went to this shop number 71, and this shop had really good collection of very funky, colorful bags, a lot of backpacks which were really cute, and the prices were also pretty fair. So I actually got 3 sling bags from that shop. So the first one is this really cutie little yellow color sling bag. It has a very nice chain which is pretty heavy, it's quite sturdy and it looks really fantastic. And then it has a handheld holder here, and when you just rotate it, it opens like this. That's the flap, and this is the space. Though it's not very spacious, but as per its size, I think it's pretty spacious. You can put your mobile, your keys, a couple of makeup items, and maybe a small little wallet or cash, and I think you're good to go. It can actually hold a good amount of stuff, and then there is also a pocket at the back which actually is not very spacious, to be honest. So maybe you can just sort of thrust in your sleek mobile phone or maybe a couple of cards or something at the most, but nonetheless it has a lot of space inside, and it's a really cute little yellow color bag. I didn't have a yellow bag, and as I've already mentioned, it comes with this really nice chain. Any day, anytime, I prefer chains over straps because I just find them more rich looking, and it just adds so much of jitspa or spunk to the whole piece. So yeah, this is the first bag that I got, and I got it for these 350 only. The second bag, I think it's the cutest of the lot, is this really cute brown bag, which is such a cute little sling bag. I mean, it just brings such a cute smile on my face. It is so cute. It has a beautiful gold detail here on the flap, and it opens like that, and that's the compartment. And it also has a small little zip compartment inside. Again, this bag does not have enough of space, but yeah, if you only need your mobile phone, key, and a little bit of items here and there, then I think it's a great bag. How I visualize wearing it is with mostly my denims maybe. I mean, if I'm wearing a denim short, a white shirt, and I'm carrying this bag for summers, it's just going to look so edgy and so stylish. It's really nice, and it also comes with this strappy sling out here, and the sling size is pretty nice. It's quite lengthy. You can take it as a crossbody, or you can just hang around on one shoulder, and this is so cute. The quality is amazing. It does not look tacky. None of the bags which I've got looks tacky or inferior quality at all. They all look expensive. They all look very good quality, and they are sturdy. They have a very defined shape. It's not deformed or anything of that sort from anywhere. So that's the second bag. I got this one also from the same shop, number 71, for rupees 350. The third bag that I got is another third piece from the same shop, which is this amazingly cute white sling bag. I mean, I was very lucky. I think I got such amazing bags. So this is how this sling bag looks. You just rotate the lock and the flap opens like that, and then it has 3 zip compartments. Each zip comes with this metal detailing which makes it look very like of a good quality, good brand. And these are the 3 compartments. It's quite spacious. Each compartment has a lot of space inside. I love the gold chain with these details, which, as I said, makes the bag look really good quality, rich, classy, and expensive. And that's the lock. And then it comes with this beautiful sling, which is a mix of chain and the strap made of the bag material, and then it has a strap here which is very comfortable for your shoulder. It's not going to hurt your shoulder. And yeah, I think it's a very thoughtfully made bag. It's very cute. It's off-white in color, and I also got it for 350 rupees only. Then after that I went to this shop called Kim's. I'm sure you guys would be knowing. I went to this shop for the very first time and I was like, what was wrong with me? I never went to this shop. Have been to Sarojini so many times now, but I got some amazing bags from this shop and I'm going to show you guys what all I got. So guys, this is the first bag that I got from this shop. It's a very beautiful deep blue or a navy blue bag with a floral print with it, and this is the back. It has a zip at the back and it has a bow detail happening right in the front, and then it's a flap. Okay, I have to rotate it. Then it's a flap which opens. There is no pocket here. It's just a flap with a bow detail that they have given to add some dimension to the bag. And it has these straps or handles, and then we have this zip, and then we have the, I'm so sorry I have not taken out the the stuffing from inside because I just got them yesterday and I thought I'll do a video for you guys today. So yeah, it has enough of space in it. It's very spacious. I actually got it for space because if I'm traveling or if I'm going out for the whole day and I know I need to carry a lot of stuff, so I got this keeping in mind that. And I love the color. I didn't have any bag of this color. It's a really pretty, very cute, very classy looking bag. It's going to look so good with my summer outfits. Even in winters you can carry this bag so well. It's such a nice color. I got this bag for 1200 rupees. This was in the fresh collection. There was no discount on this bag. So this is the first bag, which is a discounted one. This is actually a replica of Burberry. Frankly, if you ask me guys, I don't see any point spending thousands and even lakhs of rupees on an original high-end bag like a Burberry or a Louis Vuitton or a Ferragamo or something like that. I mean, I don't think, or I don't see myself doing that, spending so much of money on these brands. But at the same time, I'm not the types who will use replicas or copies. I've never done that. But I don't know what happened to me when I saw this bag and when I checked the quality of this bag, I just could not pass this up. It looks so fine. It looks almost like an original Burberry bag. I can't see any defect in this bag. The logo of Burberry is right here in the front, which is absolutely good quality, classy. The strap is good, and it actually comes with two straps. So this is the zip and that's the compartment, and inside they have given another strap which is a longer one, so I can just detach the shorter strap and I can attach the longer one if I want to use it like that. This bag for 599 rupees. So this shop has this discount thing going on where a lot of amazing bags are being sold at a discounted price of all flat 599 rupees. So you guys should definitely go and check this shop out. It's called Kim's. It's shop number 95. Now moving, the another bag that I got is this beauty right here. I am not sure, I think it's a Gucci replica. I'm not too sure, it really doesn't matter to me. But anyways, what matters to me is the bag. It's so beautiful, it is so good looking, sturdy. I love the red color with floral combination with it. Then here is the flap which opens like this, and then you have your compartment. The stuffing is still inside. I'm sorry I have not taken it out, but it has a lot of space. I'll just take it out and I'll show it to you guys. Yeah, that's the space. It is pretty spacious. I think it can hold in a lot of stuff. It also has a zip compartment inside, and this also has a strap which you can use as a sling. Which is a great thing. At times you don't want to hold your bag in your hand, you just want to hang it on your shoulder, which you can do. Although I think for a bag like this, it looks more classy when you just take it around your wrist. And anyways, this is the bag. Now I actually got two bags. One is in black color, I'm just going to show you, and one is in red color. So one is actually for my mom. I'm going to gift it to her. And though I don't want to reveal the prices of the gifts, but for you guys, the price of this bag was also only 599 rupees, which I think is a steal. The original price of this bag was much higher, but as I said, the offer is going on and I was quick enough to grab the offer. Then as I said, I got another color in the same bag. This is a black color, so I will see I'll give one to my mom and I'll give one for myself. I love this one too. It's so pretty. They had another color in this which was, I think, a brown color. So yeah, it's also the same thing. It has a flap which opens like this. Then it also comes with a strap, and then there's a lot of space inside. Next up, I got this beautiful bag. And by the way, that is also for $5.99, and this bag is also for $5.99. It's again a very pretty classic bag. I actually got it to gift my Masi. So I'm going to gift it to her, and I love the bag. It's very nice, neutral color, lot of space, nice handle, or these straps have good enough space to just hang around your shoulder. And if I open the zip, it has a lot of space inside. It's a very good travel bag. You can very well carry it when you are traveling because it will store in a lot of stuff. It has side pockets on both the sides, and I just perfectly, I mean, I can't say much about these bags. They are so good, and they're such a steal, such a steal. The last bag is this beautiful, very quirky, very stylish sling bag, also from the same shop. It also has this strap which is around the shoulder, and then it has a chain sling attached to it. It has a very pretty vintage style, vintage print on it. It's a very vintagey bag. So that's the space. It has a lot of space inside, and again, you can just carry it for your lunches, for your general outings with your friends, and I mean, just style it up in so many different ways. I actually will be putting up pictures on Instagram whenever I'm styling these bags. I've already done for one of the bag which I got in my last Sarojini haul, which was a cherry color bag, very cute, and I did style it up and I did put a picture on Instagram, and a lot of you guys actually were shocked to know that that bag is from Sarojini. It looks so classy. So I will be styling these bags up very soon, and I'll put pictures on Instagram. So you guys, if you're following me on Instagram, have a look, and if you're not following me, then please follow. This bag was actually for 799 rupees. This was not on discount. It was a fresh, but I think it's a very, very good price for the kind of bag it is. So yeah guys, these are all the bags that I got from Sarojini Nagar, and I can't tell you how elated I am because I love bags. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will list all the prices down below in the description box along with the shop numbers. So you guys go ahead, shop from Sarojini, have fun, and share with me what all you got. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to show it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for many more fun and interesting videos. And till we meet next time, take good care. Bye.